This video will explain causes for gas sensor failure and how to remedy each problem. A sensor can be damaged electrically or damaged by high temperature. To test for electrical damage, measure the resistance of each sensor. Here's how. To open the machine, remove the black screw covers and remove the screws. Then slide the machine out of the case. All readings must be taken at room temperature and the machine must be unplugged. First, you will need to prepare your voltmeter. For a manual ranging voltmeter, set to 200 ohms. Meter leads should be connected to the ohms and to the common. For an auto ranging voltmeter, turn it to the ohms function. Meter leads should be connected to the ohms and to the common. With either meter, you will be measuring from the common side to the sensor. The common side is any solid white wire. The sensors are wired in the following order: red, blue, green, then yellow. To connect them, place your meter leads like this. The reading should be 65 to 85 ohms. Check each color while leaving your black lead in the common. This measurement checks the actual resistance of the sensor. You should also verify this same resistance at the back of the machine. To do this, measure across sensor common and sensor 23 milliamps. The reading should be the same as the measurement taken inside the machine. All readings should be in the 65 to 85 ohms range at room temperature. If readings from inside the machine are within normal range, but readings from the back are not, then there is a wiring problem between the inside of the machine and the board. If neither place registers within the 65 to 85 ohms range, the sensor needs to be replaced. To replace the sensor, loosen the dark orange wires. Unscrew the appropriate gas sensor fitting. Put in a new sensor and then wire it the same way it originally was. Sensors can also be damaged by high temperature. Temperature damage can occur when the Omron temperature controller gets old and sticks in the on position. This causes the aluminum block surrounding the gas sensors to heat up too high, which can damage the sensors. The color on the top of the sensor can vary and is not an indicator of damage. Look closely at the threaded end of the sensor. It should be a bright white porous plastic, but can change color and become solid when overheated. When this happens, the plastic becomes the consistency of a milk jug and is no longer porous. Check for damage to the plastic by feeling it with your fingers and examining for discoloration. If the plastic is discolored or melted, replace the damaged sensor and the Omron temperature controller to prevent future overheating. A temperature controller that has failed once will fail again, so it needs to be replaced. Thank you for watching our video explaining causes for gas sensor failure and how to remedy each problem.